Good afternoon, everyone. Karl, it's Chief for the forecaster, Joe Shock here, taping this at 12 sharp, 16Z. Just turned afternoon, as you can see right there. We're in the classroom again with the screen, and I got the. I was able to find the portable mouse, so I'm actually gonna have a seat and go through these with you. This is really convenient to have this option. As you can see here, we have what is Karl right here, the tropical storm, and this has really come together over the last 6 to 12 hours ago. So I mean, this is really beginning to get its act together. And I'm going to try to click on this to see what happens. We want to take, and there's the track that you could see for, and this is going to become a hurricane really quickly. I'm not able, for some reason, to log into my models page, weather ball on this PC, so we're going to just stick with official NWS stuff for this. But as you can see, it's going to become a hurricane over the course of the evening, and then probably get very close to Bermuda. And there is a, believe that is a tropical storm warning for the island of Bermuda. Yes, that is a tropical storm warning. You can see where the mouse is there and the color over here. So again, tropical storm conditions seem to be expected on the island, and then you can see Karl will be heading out to sea and not bothering anyone there. And here is Lisa, tropical storm Lisa, which is right behind Karl. She is going to become a depression. She will remain and stay out to sea. She won't be a problem. But maybe one of the bigger issues that we may have to look at down the road is what this is here. I'm not yet considered an invest, but it will become an invest. Let me just get over that. The system that is off the western coast of Africa at this time. 0% next 2 days, but over the next 5 days, it does have a 20% chance of developing. So again, this area here will move west, and I will show you here some of the models do develop this down the road over the course of the next week or so. So we will have to watch that as it gets into the western Atlantic. And I'm going to see what I can do here. I'm going to have to probably go back over to the keyboard. I should have brought this up already, unless I can. Yeah, there's no keyboard here, wireless keyboard. So I will just hope maybe I can get to the model page through the National Hurricane Center website. But again, you can see Karl here, pretty well looking system compared to Lisa. And let me see if I can go up here. Let's take a look at actually some of the satellite imagery for what is Karl in the Atlantic. See if this page loads. And again, there's Karl right there, really starting to wrap up in its structure right there where I have the mouse over. I'm going to walk back up to the board, and you can see where Karl is located here. Very, very nice structure. And then here's Lisa again. And as you can see in this satellite imagery, very, very well defined circulation here, even though it has very little convection around it. It does have a nice swirl with it. And again, same thing here with Karl, is convection got under the center of circulation, which is again helping this system to evolve as we go on in time. And let me just click back here again, and let's see if we can go up to the data and tools. Let's see if we could pull up the NCEP model page through the thing. I don't think I'm able to get to the NCEP page, but again, it looks like that the system is attempting to develop, as you saw there again on the satellite imagery of the Atlantic. Again, it looks like both of these systems are developing, and Karl is going to be getting again very close to Bermuda with the tropical storm watch that is in effect. I'm going to attempt to pause this, and if it doesn't come out well, we'll be redoing it again, but I'm going to attempt to pause my video while I pull up some of the model guidance, so just stay with me for 1 second. I am back again. I was able to do what I wanted to do successfully. So here's the NCEP model guidance page, and here's the 6Z run of the GFS. So you can see here the system that's coming off of Africa. It gets it to here in about 11, 12 days or so, the 4th of October, and continues to get that into the Gulf. And here we are by hour 3:36. You can see it as it comes on in. But again, this is, I can't say if the GFS is going to be right or wrong, but I will say we have to watch that system for, again, obvious reasons. But again, there is the GFS on, I believe, what is the 4th of October. Hold with me here. I just want to find the mouse. Let me click back here. Yeah, what is the 4th of October? As you can see how it is. 4th and 5th of October. That we could be dealing with something here in the Gulf of Mexico as we get into the first week of October. But again, right now we will focus on Karl impacting the island of Bermuda. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.